So a couple of months ago when Microsoft Designer was announced, I headed over to this website, and I'll put the link to it in the video notes, to sign up to join the waitlist to try out Microsoft Designer. So what is Microsoft Designer? Well, it's a simple to use web-based design tool that allows you to create simple designs and has some AI baked in to help you to create your designs. So if you're someone who spends a lot of time in products like Photoshop, then this probably isn't going to be the tool for you. But if you're a small business or you're someone who just creates design work every so often, then this may be a great tool for you to think about using. So a couple of days ago, I received an email from Microsoft here telling me that the wait was over and I was now ready to try out Microsoft Designer. So let's jump in and take a very quick look at what this product does. So when you jump in here, the first thing I will say is I registered my interest using my commercial Microsoft Business account email address. And when this came back to me and gave me the invite to join up, it required a Microsoft account instead. So my understanding is that this will be something that's included in the commercial Microsoft 365 licensing and not just on the family, the personal side. But I may be wrong about that. So if anyone has information about that, if I've missed something, then please throw it into the comments. So when you jump into this, the first thing you see is this Let's Get Started page, which gives you the option to upload your own images, to create an image with AI, or just to get started with what it is you want to design. So let's show what this is going to do here. So let's say we want to create a holiday party invite. And it takes a few seconds, but suddenly you have these options, which has some context of understanding what you've written here and gives you some options for your holiday party. So let's take a look at this one perhaps, and we can jump in and customize the design. So you can see it's very easy, it's very intuitive. You can just grab things, you can drag them around in the same way that in programs like Word, you get design ideas that appear on the right hand side. You get design ideas that you can change here to change around what your invite or whatever it is you're working on looks like. And this is probably a pretty good use case for this kind of product, that if you've got something maybe internal to your business that you want a quick design for, you can very quickly produce something that looks decent enough from here without a lot of work. So what else could you do in here? Well, there are various templates to do other kinds of designs. And one of the things I think is interesting here is this template area actually highlights things that are coming up that you might be interested in, that you might want to create designs for. So I think that's kind of an interesting feature in here, to highlight things that perhaps you want to get some fun content out about in your office, and you might not have known about. So you see I can create my ugly sweater day image, and let's see, I don't think that's necessarily the type of ugly sweater we're talking about, but you can see we've got some different options here. You can upload your files into here, and one of the things I think is a bit strange in here is conspicuously absent is OneDrive, Teams, SharePoint. So hopefully those kinds of things get added. You can add additional visuals into your images very easily. You have lots of different text options, and you have style options, and you can even create your own styles based on your particular business need. And then when you finish with your design, you can download it. Again, I think it's a little bit disappointing that you don't have a post this in Teams or a download directly to OneDrive kind of option in here. But this is a kind of starter of this product, so I'm sure those things will come over time. So there you go. That's kind of Microsoft Designer. There's a lot more to it to play around with, but I will put that link in the video description so that you can get on the waitlist and try it out yourself. So hopefully this has been useful to you. If it has, then please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, See ya.